In the traditional picking process, your team would have to pick items into a picking bin before sorting them out. But not anymore. With Skublox's pick-to-light integration with Skustack, you can sort items as they are being picked. Simply scan the product and the corresponding location on the rack will light up, guiding you to the right spot. Imagine the time savings as you pick and sort items simultaneously. Not only that, the lights leave no room for mistakes, ensuring your orders are always correct. If an order has multiple items, the light will ensure that the entire order is placed in a single slot, removing the need to sort any orders after picking. Head to the Picking tab in Skustack. Tap the search icon in the Pick to Light section and select your mobile Skublox wall. Enter your pick list ID. Scan the item you want to pick, choose the right quantity, scan it, and scan the bin you're moving it from. Watch as the slot on the wall lights up. That's it. Now you can eliminate costly errors and save time with Skustack's mobile sorting solution.